So let's make a very delicious, super quick and nutritious recipe from eggs, hard boiled eggs, which can be used at lunchtime or dinner time or breakfast, can be also used for stuffings or for sandwiches, and can also be enjoyed with rotis or bread. Try this recipe, we'll love the flavors of this delicious recipe. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you're new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this easy recipe. So for this recipe, I'll be taking 2 medium-sized onions and I need to thinly slice these medium-sized onions. It's very important for this recipe to use literally thinly sliced onions. If you are taking a large onion, you can always take 1 large onion, otherwise 2 medium sized onion is perfect for 4 hard boiled eggs. And if you are increasing the amount of eggs, simultaneously you can increase the amount of potatoes and onions. So here I have nicely sliced thin slices of onions in this way. And again for this recipe I'll be using potato. So for this recipe, 2 medium sized potatoes I have nicely washed with skin. So this I'll grate with the large pores of this grater, and this I'll start grating. And after grating these potatoes, I need to dip it in water because potatoes gets oxidized very easily. So here I have grated the potatoes, and as I said, this dish is super quick and can be used for breakfast, for lunch or dinner. So and I use this recipe in variety of ways, and my grated potatoes are done here. So this goes inside water so that they don't turn black or they don't get oxidized. And here I have taken 4 hard boiled eggs. This recipe is perfect for 2 to 3 persons. And then I just again need to grate this boiled egg. So here I have grated this hard boiled eggs, very gently I'll grate it. And as I said, a different type of recipe, yet it's lip smacking and the taste is just awesome. And as I said, this recipe I use multi-purposely. This can be used for stuffing of sandwiches, for wraps, goes very well with roti for lunch or dinner. So try this, you will love the flavors. And meanwhile my eggs are done, they are perfectly grated. So let's begin with the recipe. I'll first heat around 4 tablespoons of oil. Any cooking oil you can use. Once it's heated, I'll add chopped green chili, depends entirely upon your taste. I am a bit on a little spicy side, so you can decrease the amount if you want. And ginger I have grated 1 inch. This goes in, saute for a few seconds, and then to this I'll be added the onions that we have finely sliced. So after few seconds this onions goes in, and salt half a teaspoon I always add so that these onions very quickly release their moisture. And for this recipe, this onions needs to be just softened. We don't want crunchy or golden onions, just I want softened caramelized onions. So just saute them for around 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame, and the color will gradually change. It will become translucent and nice sweet caramelized taste and aroma will come. After that I'll be adding some chopped coriander in this tempering. Adding chopped coriander in this onions gives a very nice flavor. Give it a mix, and then to this I'll be adding some spices, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, and some coriander powder, and cumin powder goes in. Give it a mix, and this is it. The flame is on medium and the spices have been nicely roasted. It takes literally very few minutes to make this recipe. And once the dry spices are done, I will be adding grated potatoes. I have strained them from water, and some salt I have added, and I will give it a mix. Now I will reduce the flame to lowest, cover it and keep it for around 3 to 4 minutes. That's it, because I have already grated the potatoes. It will take very less time to be around 80% done. And after 3 to 4 minutes I'll add 1 large size tomato that I have grated. Again give it a mix. The moisture of these tomatoes is enough to cook these potatoes. Reduce the flame to lowest, again cover it and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes more. And now these potatoes and tomatoes releases moisture and oil has nicely oozed out from sides. Beautiful smell and aroma is coming from this recipe. Give it a mix. And now it's time to add around half a cup of water, because we'll be adding afterwards some boiled eggs. So half a cup of water will retain the moisture. Give it a mix and adjust salt at this stage before adding the boiled eggs. So I have nicely mixed it, adjusted salt, and now in medium flame I'll be adding the grated boiled eggs. This goes in, This should be added when the dish is almost 90% done. Check the seasoning and then you can add this grated boiled eggs. Give it a mix on medium flame. Do not increase the flame at this stage. Medium flame is best for this recipe. And now finally, after mixing, you can just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, just 2 to 3 minutes. And then finally 1 tablespoon of oil I have heated, Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder 1 teaspoon I had added, and this tempering goes on this eggs. Some green coriander leaves goes in. Give it a mix and switch off the flame. Adding the tempering of the red chili powder, the Kashmiri red chili powder, and the oil will transform the color of this dish. And now it's time to serve it. You can see the consistency. The half a cup water that we had used is nicely soaked by the eggs, and that has retained the moisture. Hot, steaming, delicious eggs, potatoes, tomatoes in a very different style. Wholesome food, as I said, can be used for stuffing in wraps or sandwiches. Goes very well with roti or rice or fried rice. A very quick recipe, especially for lunch, dinner. Try this recipe. You will love the flavors. You can adjust the amount of potatoes and the ratio of eggs accordingly. And as I said, this is a semi-thick gravy. So anyway, you will love the texture and the flavor. Next time, do try this out and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Deepika Swine. She writes, so delicious recipe, so lovely. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Deepika. You loved my recipe and cared to reach out to me. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Stay safe and stay connected. And for this recipe, a very different style preparation of potato, eggs and tomatoes with onions. To try this, you will love the flavors. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner in English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.